Our story begins nearly 4.5 billion years ago, in the swirling cosmic dust of the young universe. The universe was a chaotic place, filled with cosmic dust and gas. This dust and gas started to coalesce under the influence of gravity, forming the first stars and galaxies. Our own solar system was born from one such cloud of dust and gas, in a region we now call the Milky Way galaxy. As the cloud that would become our solar system collapsed under its own gravity, it began to spin. The spinning motion flattened the cloud into a disk, with the bulk of the matter concentrated in the center. This is the protoplanetary disk, the birthplace of planets. In the heart of this disk, intense pressure and heat ignited nuclear fusion, giving birth to our sun. Around this young sun, chunks of matter began to collide and stick together, forming planetesimals, the early building blocks of planets. Among these planetesimals, one stood out. It was the one that would become our Earth. Over millions of years, through countless collisions and mergers, this planetesimal grew in size. It accumulated more and more matter, its gravity becoming stronger with each passing moment. But Earth's story doesn't end there. A cataclysmic event awaited, one that would shape our planet's destiny. A Mars-sized body, now known as Theia, collided with the young Earth. This titanic collision ejected a vast amount of material into space, which eventually coalesced and formed our moon. In the aftermath, the Earth was a molten, hellish world, but over millions of years it began to cool down. Volcanic activity spewed gases into the atmosphere, creating the first primitive atmosphere. Rain started to fall, filling the low areas and creating the first oceans. Life emerged around 1 billion years after Earth's formation, starting with simple single-celled organisms. Over billions of years, life evolved, leading to the diverse array of species we see today. To summarize, the Earth's formation was a process that took billions of years. It began with the cosmic dust and gas from the young universe, which coalesced to form the Sun and the protoplanetary disk. From this disk, planetesimals emerged, which through countless collisions and mergers eventually formed the Earth. A cataclysmic collision with Theia led to the creation of the Moon. Over time, the Earth cooled, developed an atmosphere, and became a suitable habitat for life. This is the story of our home, the Earth. It's a tale of cosmic dust, of gravity and collisions, of heat and cold, of chaos and order. A story that reminds us of our humble origins in the vast cosmos. And while we've learned much about our planet's past, the journey of discovery is far from over. There are still many mysteries left to unravel, many stories left to tell. So as we stand on this tiny blue dot, let's not forget to look up at the stars and wonder.